Hey, we up here in beazys. It's your boy. It's your boy Bird. What you gotta say, Bird? What you gotta say?
It's your boy Bird Yellow. We chilling up here at beazys. This motherfucking 4th of July, man. We getting fucked up. We having some bird. We having some weed. We having a little bit of everything. You know what I mean?
Hey, tell them about the seat up thing.
The seat up thing. You ain't even want to know about that.
I'm gonna show them the tattoo, Bird.
Show me the tat, show me the tat.
Your hand's blocking it. You say?
Tell them about it. Tell them they don't want to be caught out. Tell them you don't be caught out in the valley.
Nah. Not in the valley. You talking shit. Best expect to get your wig split, bitch.
Tell them what it is, Bird. Throw it up, Bird.
White boys.
Throw it up. Hold on, let's get it.
Valley.
That's what I was talking about.